Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my stir-fry vegetables with shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my shrimp. I also have some soy sauce. I also have some garlic spread. Of course, I have some all-purpose seasoning and black pepper. I also have my broccoli and carrot. I also have some green beans, and of course I have my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, and also my bell pepper. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go in and season my shrimp, and of course I'm gonna add some of the all-purpose seasoning, the black pepper, and also the soy sauce. Combine everything together. While I'm doing this, I have my pot on the stove that I'm gonna cook my stir-fry vegetables with shrimp in. Allow it to heat up a bit. Then I'm gonna go in and add some of the garlic spread. Allow that to melt. Then I'm gonna show you guys what I am going to do next. All right. So guys, this is the pot that I'm gonna cook my stir-fry vegetables in with my shrimp. Of course, I'm gonna go in and add my scotch bonnet pepper, my onion, and my bell pepper. I'm gonna go in and just saute this. And of course, we don't want our vegetables to be too soft. So within 20 minutes, this is already great dinner recipe. You guys can go ahead and try it out. Remember guys that all of my recipes act as a guide, therefore you can go in and adjust the recipe. All right, I will list all of the ingredients used in today's recipe in the description box, so go ahead and try it out. All right, and let me know what you think. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section. So I'm gonna go in and also add my broccoli and my carrot and also the green beans. Of course, I'm going to combine everything together, cover this, leave this for 10 minutes on low heat. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I will do next. All right. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is what my vegetables looks like. Again, we don't want our vegetables to be too soft. We want to ensure that they're crunchy. So I'm going to go in and add my all-purpose seasoning, the black pepper, and also the soy sauce. Combine everything together because we want to ensure that the seasoning is combined with everything. So we want to ensure that it is evenly distributed. Then I'm gonna go in and of course I'm gonna add my seasoned shrimp. And guys, if you don't want to add shrimp, you can always use chicken. Of course, we all know that shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so basically within 4 minutes this is all ready. So I'm going to cover this and leave this to just cook because we don't want our vegetables to be soft, as I said earlier. And also we want to ensure that our shrimp is cooked within 4 minutes. We don't want it to be too rubbery, all right? So guys, this is basically after 20 minutes. It's all ready. So basically, I'm going to go ahead now and serve this up in a minute and show you guys what it looks like. So I turn off the stove. So I'm just gonna serve this up in a minute, and also serve this up with some croissants, and show you guys the final product of my stir fry vegetable with shrimp. All right. So guys, this is the final product of my stir fry vegetable with shrimp. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. As you all can see, I added some pieces of croissants that I made at home. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another